Bonjour à toutes et à tous et bienvenue dans un nouvel épisode sur Learn to French. Je m'appelle Eden et j'enseigne le français. Hello and welcome to another episode on the Learn to French podcast. If you're new here, my name is Eden and I teach French. Welcome to our weekly word study, where we learn and analyze a specific word in French weekly. Today's word is going to be puériculture. Once again, puériculture. Before I start, feel free to click on the link in the description of this episode. That way you can also read everything that I'm talking about. So the word puériculture is a noun. And what does it mean? Well, according to the dictionary Larousse, it means l'ensemble des connaissances et des techniques mises en œuvre pour assurer aux tout petits une croissance et un développement normaux. So basically, puériculture in French is the knowledge and techniques used to ensure normal growth and development for children, for little ones, such as toddlers and young children. Here's a sentence. Marie est auxiliaire de puériculture. It could be translated as Marie is a childcare assistant. So once again, puériculture is everything that is touching childcare and development for the little ones. Where does the word puériculture come from? Puériculture is a feminine noun and it comes from the Latin term puer, P-U-E-R, puer, which means child, and then culture, puériculture. I know this word sounds a bit challenging to pronounce because you have the sound U and E that are following one another, but if you want a technique for this, just make sure to articulate. Articulating is the key in French. Puériculture, so pu-é-ri, puéri. Pu-é-ri, puéri. Puériculture. So the noun puériculture can also have derivatives. You can use the word puériculteur or puéricultrice. This is the term used for jobs that are related to childcare and development. It can have several meanings. It can be a nursery teacher, a childcare assistant, or a kindergarten worker. You also have another derivative from that derivative, which is infirmière puéricultrice, which basically means a pediatric nurse. How do you construct sentences with puériculture? Since the noun is feminine, you need to pay attention if you need to apply adjectives to it, or simply use the right article. La puériculture, une puériculture, although that second one is not really used. We use puériculture in a general sense, so la puériculture. To say that you work in the field of childcare, you can simply use the structure être plus puériculteur or puéricultrice. You don't have to add an article before puériculteur or puéricultrice because we're talking about the job here. So for example, je suis puériculteur. Je suis puéricultrice. So you don't add je suis une puéricultrice, you just say je suis puéricultrice. Je suis infirmière puéricultrice. I hope you enjoyed this week's word. If you would like to check out more words, feel free to visit my website learntofrench.com or simply look for more episodes in the podcast. I'm sure you can find what you're looking for. Merci beaucoup d'être resté avec moi aujourd'hui et je vous dis à bientôt pour un nouvel épisode sur Learn to French. Au revoir!